Here we go. Launch button. Press 3, 2, 1. Press.
Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is crazy!
The best add-on ever. The launch button adds 0 horsepower. Made of high quality aluminum alloy. Here we go. The function of this launch button is mainly for looks. Alright, I'm gonna have Isaac do the install. Go ahead, take it away, bud.
Okay, so first, you see this launch button. See, both of them are closed, right? So you take this one out, this one, and you can close that one back up. And then, see this launch button right here? Red, and some black right here. Okay, so let's replace it already. Okay, so first, you get this right here. This launch button here in my hand, And then, you put it inside. It's so easy. Just place it in. Okay, now push it. Just a little bit. It'll stick though. Then keep on doing like that so it sticks harder and harder. And voila, it's done.
All right, and there it is. Looks nice.
Yep, and shiny red.
So there's a simple add-on just to give you a personalized touch to the interior of your vehicle. Again, no horsepower, but just looks. They come in launch, panic, eject, and fire missiles, red and black. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple videos like this. I'm gonna leave the product link down below.